So this is your second run, right?
The control.
Pretty good. Let's see what it's like.
Came out of gear.
I saw that. 59. 59 too. Surprised you went down to first for that.
You know, I was just trying. I tried that last time. I tried it this time. I don't know that it makes much difference.
I was just saying, if you're popping out of gear afterwards, then maybe not worth it, you know. So, I'm impressed at how much grip this car has, just because of the age of the tires.
They really want to slide.
Yeah, it really wants to slide. Yeah, like only like one spot where you maybe cranked in. I thought you put in a little too much steering, and I was like, "Whoop, we're gonna have to recover from that." But yeah.
Yeah, I feel. I mean, it's pretty loose, and so I feel like I'm not able to like
get it to
find the line that I want to be on every time.
Yeah.
What do you see? What do you see where I'm making?
I think a little too much steering. So just like let the car rotate and like you're dialing it in and it's actually gripping because it was your second run. You probably were not expecting it to grip as much on your second run, so your third run it's going to be. So yeah, just like maybe a little less steering, and then just just keep it in second. Because I think the whole like down to first, then to second, and then back. You know what I mean? Like, and then you went into second way sooner than I thought you were gonna. Like, cause you went down to first, hairpin, and then got to the top of first, and then went into second, and then we went through the wash, and we kind of felt like we like bogged through the wash. I feel like if you were just in second the whole time, it would have been fun. It would have been smooth through there. You know what I mean? Because like then you went second, and then we were like into the wash, and I was like, oh geez. So
yeah. That's like I'm running out, but then I slowed down.
Right. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, maybe just like keep it in second, and then like just less steering inputs. But yeah, you got it. Because I think you're just about to the point where you can really balance the car with throttle and just smooth inputs.
So. Okay. Oh, my ear is folded over.
You go with windows
down. Just don't be hanging your arm out the window. You can hold on there if you need to, and you'll need to.
Chris, we got the AC on. Last one. So we have another session after this.
Okay, great. Thanks. 69. Hey, nice.